Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, at the beginning of the year, I let you know that if you are still running the Mail and Calendar app on Windows, that your Windows Mail and Calendar could stop working soon. And that's because, as we have been talking about almost over the last year, Mail and Calendar are now past the end of support deadline, which was the 31st of December 2024. And they could stop working at any moment, where Microsoft would be replacing and force migrating a lot of Windows 11 users over to the new Outlook for Windows, which I have found you either like the new Outlook or you don't. Now, in regards to this, just to let you know that Microsoft now has announced today that the new Outlook for Windows app will also be automatically installed now on Windows 10 devices, just like it's been doing over on Windows 11. So this may come as good or bad news, depending on which way you look at this. And this is according to a new message on the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Now, how this is all going to take place is Microsoft has said that the new Outlook for Windows will automatically be installed on Windows 10 devices as part of the upcoming monthly security updates and the optional update release. Now, the optional Windows 10 release, we are expecting at the end of this month. That will be the first optional update for this year. And that's going to be rolling out on the 28th of January 2025. So if you don't want the new Outlook automatically installed on your Windows 10 device, then don't download and install this C release update, because when it rolls out on the 28th, it's optional, so you don't have to install it. But obviously, the monthly security update release, which will be rolling out on the 10th of February, will then install it by default. So basically, you've got a couple of days grace between the 28th and the 10th of February to kind of get your house in order, whichever way you want to go with this. So I'm just giving you a quick heads up, because obviously this has caused quite a lot of debate, and now Microsoft is automatically going to be installing the new Outlook for Windows on Windows 10 devices as part of the upcoming monthly updates, as just mentioned. Now, although that is the case, Microsoft has basically a workaround on how you can uninstall the new Outlook using PowerShell and the registry workaround. So if you don't want the new Outlook on your system, what you can do, but just a quick side note, it's not for the faint of heart. What you can do is you can head over to the support site of Microsoft, which I'll leave linked in the description, and you can use the following command in Windows PowerShell to uninstall it. And basically, what this will do is Windows updates won't reinstall new Outlook. Okay, so basically, this PowerShell command will prevent it from reinstalling. And you can additionally remove this Windows Orchestrator registry value. So if you have the technical know-how, this post will be linked down below for you to go check out how to actually uninstall it using PowerShell and the registry workarounds. But as mentioned, not for your average Joe. So just keeping you guys in the loop, because obviously the new Outlook, you either like it or you don't, and it's now making its way by default now in the up-and-coming updates onto Windows 10 as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.